Okay, I got this syrup rack and it was given to me by the company. And here's all the pieces. It's very easy. Everything, like, it's only a couple different pieces. There's the rods, the sides, it comes with the wrench, the screws. Screws are all the same size, only one size of screws, the little feet, and the instructions. So I'm going to get it put together and I'll be right back. Okay, I got all the screws in one side. Now putting on these are actually pretty easy. They just screw on and then just use the Allen wrench to tighten them up. So give me just a minute and I'll be right back again. It's pretty easy to put these bars on. You just screw them on. Make sure that this end is on the end so that you can make it adjustable, and then use the Allen wrench that comes with it to tighten them up. Quick, simple, easy. Just a few turns. The only thing I want to point out when you're doing this is the bottom row, the part that's going on the bottom, it has 3 holes in it. And this has 3 holes. So you want to make sure your piece is going to go on like this. So make sure you have it the right way so you put your screws in from the right direction so it all lines up when you go to put it together. Okay, got them all lined up. So I'm just going to tighten the screws in. And then tighten them all down with the Allen wrench. One little tip I found, when I'm screwing these second ones on, if you can hold it underneath, it sometimes helps to keep it hold like the part that will expand where it's a different size, and makes them screw in easier and faster. Just a little tip. There. Now remember, the 3 holes is the bottom. So it goes like this. We're going to put our little feet on, one in each corner. Flip it back over. And it's ready to go. So let's get some bottles and put on it. And here it is all finished. You can have 12 bottles like it's shown now, or anything in between. You just pull it out on the side very easily. And with the little pads underneath, it does not slide on the counter easily. So you can see it's going to stay in place where you put it. You can move it if you need to, but it's not going to slide around easily.